Beat is automatic, supersonic, hypnotic, funky, fresh. My body so melodic. This beat goes right through my chest. Everybody, my body.
What's up, guys? We're back with another video. Today's video, I'm teaching you guys how to make a simple 2D intro. And today we are going to be using 3 apps, I'm pretty sure. This app, PS Touch, and then also you need to use, what's that other app? KineMaster and stuff. Anyways, so what we're going to do is you take your text. I'm gonna do KT for, Kiara's tutorials. Also, I just made one. And then you're gonna go to this, and you're gonna go to your size. As big as possible, pretty much, is what we want you to do. Go higher than that. Then we're gonna go to font. And this font you don't have to download. Just go all the way down till you get to this. See? Like this. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna change it. Let's make it K. Done. Okay. Excuse me. Let's see. I think I'm gonna start figuring out how to make packs so I can put them in the description so you guys can use them. Anyways, so put the K. Background. So we want transparent. And you're just gonna download it. Save as project. Save it, make sure it's oh no. PS Touch, here we come. Anyways, Photoshop Touch. So I'm gonna make a new one since I just did that. Oh my god, my film in the background. Blank document. Make sure it's the, oh heck no, it wasn't supposed to be 294. It's supposed to be I don't even know anymore, but we're just gonna, nope, I did not mean to do that. I'm sorry, y'all. Jesus, what is he laughing about? Anyways, let's just blank document and just go with it. Anyways, so then first off, what you're gonna do is just photo layer, photo library, Pixel Lab. I did this one. Okay, just gonna add it. Check. This one. I'm gonna go back to here and we're gonna do this. We're gonna do no, it should be this one, right? Select pixel. Oh, I did not mean to do that. Back. Then that's when we're gonna go to here and we go clear, and then you press deselect and you go here and it's gonna be like this. And then you go back to this one. And then you go back to this one. And you're going to go to this. Press opacity and bring it all the way to the -0. And that's when you're just going to save it. Press save. And it should. And then you're going to press this. Save the gallery. And you're going to press this one. And make sure to save it in PNG. Press OK. Alright. Now let's move on to KineMaster, actually. Here we go. So actually, I just made one, so I'm about to show you it. Here you go. Play it. Maybe I should make that stuff fade out. Anyways, you're gonna start you an empty project. Go to media, background. I'm just gonna use the photo because I'm not about to go through this. What was it? I forgot where oh yeah, save it on InShot. I'm gonna use this one. Alright, I like it. And press the crop. Make sure you press this. Check. Anyways, then that's when we go to layer, add media. And we're gonna go to this one. We're just gonna add this on here and add it on the whole. Oh wait, no, I did that wrong actually. Oh, I just did this whole thing wrong. Honestly, like, oh god, y'all, I'm gonna cry. Anyways, the media actually has to be black for a certain reason, and we're gonna do like 7 seconds. Just make it short. Anyways, then that's when you're gonna add that photo. Make sure it's big so you can like move it over, and you'll see why in a minute. So anyways, then you're gonna go back to here and click it, press this, you'll see why, add, move it over, and then go all the way to the end, add, and then continue moving over, press the check. So let's see what it's like, and as it continues to move, it just moves a little slower for some reason, but it moves. You know what I think? It's because how fast I moved it. So we're gonna restart that. I'm gonna redo it. And I'm gonna make sure this is big enough. You'll see why. Anyways, like I said, we're gonna go here and move. Then we're gonna go all the way back down here. Move. Check. Let's see. Nah, it's not how fast you do it. It's just gonna start out fast. Okay. Anyways, then press your layer, media. Now we're gonna add this. Make sure it fits on the whole screen. Line it up to how you want it. Then you go all the way down to the alpha. We're gonna put this on 85% if you want to work out. Press that check, boy. You see it, it's moving, bro. Anyways, then another layer. Crips, y'all. I'm losing it. I'm forgetting what I'm supposed to be doing. Oh, never mind. I know what I'm supposed to do. Animation. Just press scale down like that. See? And then we're gonna go to layer, media. Wait, actually no. Text, and this is where we're gonna, put the name of the. So we're just gonna do here. No, actually, no. What I did was YouTube. Oh no, man, I can't even do this. YouTube.com. Where's the backslash at? Backslash KIE Kiera's Tutorials, pretty much is what we did here. And you'll see. Then let's go down. Make sure you take off that shadow. You can do whatever color you want, but me personally, I'm going to do the black because I want to. You're going to change this also. And change it to real thin. Whatever the thing says. I'm sorry. Anyways, we're gonna start it kind of right there. And also with the in animation, we are going to do the scale down also. So it's like this. You know, you get it. And as the thing continues to move. And then how I did this at the end, we're pressing layer, media, and background black. Move it all the way up. And move it kind of like right here where the master sign is. And we're gonna duplicate this layer just because we're gonna do the same thing. Wherever the layer is, we're gonna take that up. Oops. Anyways, check. We're gonna take this one. Oh my god, I can't. Okay, let's not try to duplicate that then. Anyways, I think that might be my grandma. We're just gonna do the same thing. Background, boom. And we're gonna just do the same thing. Think right there. And for the first one, honestly, you know what we're about to do right here. And we're just gonna move it all the way to halfway. I think that's good enough. Check. Same thing with down here. We're gonna move it all the way to up on top of this thing. And let's check it out. Exactly. And then you add your music. So I'm gonna find something. I'm just gonna add this one because it's just simple stuff. You know, not everybody listens to this. Oh, let me fix this because this is not over the whole thing. Check. Alright, now we can do it. You can have it fade out. If you don't want it faded out, you go to here and you just take the audio fade out down all the way to 0. So also this is a new screen recorder that I'm really liking, and I think I might make a video on top 5 screen recorders. And I'm also going to be working on a channel intro. Also, when I get my computer fixed, I'm going to be doing a video on how to make merchandise when I can get this all, you know, fixed up. I think that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna think about doing the other video for the top 5 screen recorders and just top 5 apps you should use and just certain apps, you know, just yada yada yada. And so anyways, we're gonna press this if you want to save it, and you're just gonna press export, and you just press another thing, save it with watermark. And like I was saying, so once you finished it, you go to InShot, actually the 4th app, and you just basically crop out. Let's do this one since I already used it. Basically, you just crop out the. Oh, I'm sorry. So basically, you will just crop out the KineMaster thing. Just go to crop, and just basically, like I said, I keep saying basically, like I said, just crop out KineMaster, whatever this thing's called. Just crop it out. Alright. Also, go check this video out that I just posted before this. This is 3D audio I did. I mean, 80. Anyways, also, like I said in one of my other videos, if you ever need help and you just can't, you know, you can't learn how to make these and you just need me to make you one, just go to my email. I put it in the description too of a certain video. I forgot what it was. Oh yeah, free intro video, outro. I put my email in the description. In the description and in the I keep forgetting comment section. But anyways, like I said, I'm going to be putting my email in the description of every single video. So if you need help, or you need help, or you need me to make you something, or you just have any more questions about this stuff, then I got you. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Always love yourself. Cares out.
You don't gotta worry about me. You made it clear that you're unhappy.